Good old South African patriot here. So this video is specifically for every white man across the world. Doesn't matter where you are. If you've got blonde hair and white skin like me, this is for you. The reason why they are so scared of white man is because once you grow a pair of balls, nobody will break into your house. Because they know, once you grow a pair of balls, if they break into your house, they are going to die. Simple and easy as that. Self-defense is a common right. I don't care which country you are from. If you decide to come onto my house or farm, and I did not invite you, the rules need to be very simple. You will go into a body bag into the ground. If you live where we live, in the middle of nowhere, you will go into the ground without anybody knowing it happening. Simple, easy. Grow a pair of fucking balls. The days of being snowflakes and tippy-toeing around shit, those days are gone. I live in a country where crime is more than within a war zone. Yet you in America and Europe do not have the fucking balls to resolve the issue of fucking Palestinian protesters and Antifa protesters. Take up the whip, take up the belt, resolve the fucking issue. Please, grow a pair of fucking balls. God bless.